Today, we'll honor a biker who received one of the Army's highest awards, the Silver Star. Scott Ford, founder of Special Forces Brotherhood Motorcycle Club, was wounded in action. On April 6, 2008, Special Forces Operational Detachment Alpha 3336 was sent on a daring raid into the stronghold of Afghan commandos in the Shock Valley in Afghanistan.
Hey, I'm hit. I'll take, I'm hit.
He had almost finished customizing his 2005 Harley-Davidson Deuce, but because of the extreme injuries to his arm, the project was put on hold. With some help and hard work, we'll finish up Scott's dream bike.
What we're doing right here is in honor of a pretty special guy.
And unveil it at an emotional ceremony at the Airborne and Special Operations Museum just outside of Fort Bragg in North Carolina.
Oh my God.
To learn more about Scott, I met with his wife, Sharon.
For someone who hasn't met Scott, what kind of guy is he?
Very charismatic, very social, very passionate about the things that he loves, his job, riding motorcycles.
How's he recovering?
He's left-handed, so his left arm is still paralyzed and his hand's paralyzed, but he's working really hard. He's going to feel honored that someone thought about him.
Talking with Sharon gave me some great insight into Scott's life, but I wanted to know more about what it meant to be Special Forces. So I headed over to Fort Bragg, where Scott Ford and many of his Special Forces brothers were trained. The first place I was taken was a drop zone to see how the Special Forces parachute into combat zones. The recon team was in place and ready for the next phase of their mission: personnel recovery. The plan was for the team to breach a compound and rescue the hostage. That would be me, in a live fire drill with real explosives.
Coming in! Room clear! I got your security. Hands with your hands! Step out! Step out! You gotta get your hands, go on your knees! Go on your knees! Come down!
Precious cargo is safe.